So I made a web page for my love of rocks. So I barely know how to program/code, and I've been trying to learn like off and on for years. And in the past few weeks, I feel like I finally committed to it and found a good reason as to why I want to program. I really want to be a part of the open source software community, and I really want to make my own open source software that can, help people in some way. I feel like by making web apps, the software will be more accessible to people. So, what the actual hell does this have to do with a bad web page dedicated to rocks, with some pretty bad and boring lorem ipsum text at the bottom, and it looks like it's been written by a 2-year-old? Well, this is my first real project. I'm saying real project because I've made a couple things following some tutorials, made like 5 or so projects with HTML and CSS, but this was like one of the first ones that I did on my own. And yes, it's pretty bad, but it's mine. It was made using some very basic HTML and CSS with some flexbox, and it was based off of the landing page project made by Traversy Media. They also made like a really great video on like how to make a landing page for beginners, and you should go check that out on their channel. How this all came to be was I was doing some research for a project using some basic HTML and CSS, and I first found the landing page project from Traversy Media. Once again, great video, please watch it. But one of the other results I found for some basic projects was a tribute page. So I took some of this landing page code and decided I should make a tribute page. Now, what was I going to make this tribute page to? Well, I just had to think of one of the stupidest ideas I could. It couldn't be anything that would get me age restricted, but it had to be something pretty stupid. So I thought, rock would be fine. But anyways, this whole video is just me trying to make a channel intro without actually making a channel intro. By making this channel, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to show my work, be critiqued on said work, and document my progress. I also barely know how to use Github, and I'm going to be learning that right now, but the link to the code for this website is in the description if you want to see the code and take a look at what I did wrong for yourself. So that's really all I want to say. I hope you subscribe to see hopefully much better content than this. I'll be uploading as much as I can because I'll be programming as much as I can. So, thank you for watching.